Hey guys, after a few lessons with all of you, okay, so I think that I want to be really sure that the time that you spend with techniques at home are of a really nice quality, okay? It doesn't matter if you have 5 minutes, 10, 15, or 2 hours, but the time that you have at home, I really want to know that you are doing that correctly. So I will record a few videos that you have to just follow every day. It's going to be like a collection of a few videos in which I will be studying with the metronome close to me. So I will be increasing the tempo as always. Okay, I just want you to play with me every day this sequence of videos. Okay, I'm going to do just a really easy arpeggio, a thumb, and a picado one. Really easy one. Okay, so that's all, man, guys. What I want you to do is to practice that every day with me at the same time. Really easy, no more and no less. If you can do more, awesome for you. But the minimum thing that I want yourself to do every day with me is going to be the next videos that I'm going to have here. Okay? So hope that it helps yourself. And please let me know if you want something else or if you have any question. See you. Bye-bye.